Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana, and in my channel I share all the ancestral methods, all my healthy lifestyle, and every experience that I had which was positive and I got results. I always share in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channels because I've got all the nice contents coming up for you. In this video, I am going to share with you some very important facts which directly affects our weight loss, and most of the people, they are not considering it. They just forget it. I don't know why, but you might know, but most of the people don't. And you know, when you go on a diet plan, when you go on a weight loss plan, when you go to gym, when you do anything, basically this part is always forgotten in every plan. So here I am to tell you that this part, it has a very important role in your weight loss, in your whatever that you're planning for, and you should not forget it, and you should not just don't care and don't pay attention to it. Of course, most of you know that one of the most important things that can directly affect our losing weight is metabolism, isn't it? So metabolism is something that associates with what we eat on a daily basis. Some people genetically, they have a very good high metabolism, and no matter what they eat, no matter if they go to gym, no matter if they exercise, whatever, their metabolism is always good. I had a friend that she was always slim and so beautiful, nice body, and she never went to gym, she never took care of her diet, she just ate whatever she wanted, but she was always slim and nice. So she was genetically like that. Not everybody is like that. She used to go 2 times to the toilet every day, so not everybody is like that. So but here I am to introduce you something that if you're not like that, if you're suffering from constipation, there's a nice way without any side effect, and it's a natural way that it can help you a lot. So if you introduce this as a part of your plan, that you're just gonna lose weight, you're just going to go to gym, you have any kind of diet, if you introduce this in your daily plan, it's going to make a big difference, and it's going to speed up everything that you're planning for. If it's losing weight, if it's metabolism, if it's just a solution for your constipation, it's going to help you a lot. So basically, when we are going through a diet plan to lose weight, in many diets people are avoiding carbs, are avoiding starch, are avoiding like kind of something like bread. So what happens that necessary things, which is fiber, is not reaching enough to our body. So when the fiber is not there in our body, no matter how good we eat, the body cannot digest it naturally. So we end up having constipation, or we end up going to the toilet every 2 to 3 days, which is not good at all. It will affect our weight loss plan, and it will slow down everything. So what we can do if we are planning to have a nice diet, if we don't want to have so much carbs, but yet we want to introduce enough fiber to our body, is that you can introduce extra fiber supplements to your daily diet, which has no harm. It's so good for your body. It makes you feel so lightweighted every time you're having this one. I am using this one for years now, and I'm really happy. I take 1 tablet every day along with my other vitamins after my meal. It doesn't matter if you're having it in the morning or if you're having it in the night. It's just the important thing is that to have it once a day. Before I used to have 2 tablets every day, and now I'm having 1, and still very good. I feel so lightweighted and I feel really great, never suffer from any constipation. And I want to tell you, if you introduce this to your diet, daily diet, is going to speed up everything you're looking for. It doesn't have any side effect, and you can buy this online. It is, of course, Psyllium Husk, which is extra fiber for your body, which helps to digest everything and speed up your metabolism. So I put the link below in the description box if you would love to have this in your daily diet and feel all good about whatever you're doing. Do not forget, this is going to help you a lot and speed up whatever you are after. So yeah, this is the most important part that so many people ignore when they are going through weight loss programs and whatever diet they're looking for. And this is very important factor. As much as important that you are eating, as much as important digestion is important. So that was it. Try this one and I guarantee you, you will feel absolutely fabulous about everything. So until the next video, take care of yourself.